Cartilage acts as a pad or cushion, protecting your bones at the joints during movement. In older adults and younger people who are very physically active, like athletes, cartilage may start to break down and become less cushiony over time. This can lead to friction and pain, especially in well-used joints like the knees, a condition known as osteoarthritis. In extreme cases, your doctor may recommend pain medications, supplements, or surgery, but your diet can also help you manage your condition and even develop new cartilage. Beat inflammation. The University of Maryland Medical Center recommends an anti-inflammatory diet to help prevent and manage osteoarthritis. For this diet, boost consumption of fresh vegetables and fruits. Whole grains, legumes, lean protein from poultry and cold water fish, and healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, seeds and avocado. In particular, UMMC suggests garlic, onions, parsley, watercress, celery and lemon for their anti-inflammatory potential. Your joints require water to remain lubricated, so UMMC recommends getting 6 to 8 glasses a day. In following this type of diet, you may also lose weight, a plus, because obesity is a major risk factor for osteoarthritis. Boost vitamin C and D. Cartilage is made of collagen, and your body requires vitamin C to make this protein. To build cartilage in your knees. Make sure you are getting the recommended daily amount of this antioxidant vitamin 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. You can get vitamin C from most fruits and many vegetables, especially citrus fruits, kiwi, berries, sweet peppers, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower, and leafy greens. While it doesn't build new tissue, vitamin D can help you preserve the cartilage you have, reports to registered dietitian Joy Bauer. You need at least 600 international units daily. Get your vitamin D from fatty fish, dairy foods, eggs, soy milk, UV-treated mushrooms and fortified foods. Make cartilage-boosting broth. Glycine and proline are the most abundant amino acids in your tissue's collagen fibers, according to the Weston A. Price Foundation. While your body can manufacture these proteins, meaning you don't have to get them from food, a low-protein diet may create a deficit, leading to joint problems. Gelatin, a food derived from animal collagen, is rich in glycine and proline. The WAP Foundation recommends adding rich bone broth to the diet through soups, stews and seasonings to strengthen cartilage. You can make your own joint-supporting meat stock by simmering the bones of your choice with water, vegetables and herbs. Avoid inflammatory foods. Certain foods can trigger inflammation in your body, fueling joint pain without doing anything to help you build new tissue. In addition to including healthy carbohydrates, fats and proteins into your diet, Bauer recommends avoiding refined carbohydrates in foods such as white flour foods, white rice, and sugary foods and beverages. Foods high in saturated fat, such as fatty meat and whole milk products, can also cause inflammation, and trans fats in foods such as French fries and commercial baked goods can also cause inflammation.